Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to open Excel file in Google Sheets on computer. So how to open Excel file in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. To open Excel file, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the File menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear that you can use. Tap the Import menu. Now here a menu like this will appear. Tap Upload. Now here the Browse icon. Now the Windows Computer folder will appear. Here select the file to be opened. Now here wait for the upload to finish. And then tap Import Data. Now you can see here that you have successfully opened the Excel file to Sheets. So that's it, the How to Open Excel File in Google Sheets on Computer tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.